Hey man, the YouTube channel's going well.
Yeah, but I still feel like there's more we can do to promote it.
You mean like piggyback off a trending topic?
That's a good idea.
What's that?
What's what?
What's that in your hand?
A fidget spinner. People watch YouTube videos of people doing tricks with the fidget spinner.
You said that's a Fidget Spinner?
No, a fidget spinner.
Oh, so Fidget Spinner.
Fidget spinner.
Fidget Spinner.
No. Fidget spinner.
Fidget Spinner. Fidget. So, a Fidget Spinner?
No, it spins to help people that fidget too much.
That's it. I'm sure that no one has made a video of a fidget spinner with actual gent playing.